Today we are going to learn how to make bird nesting material and how to set it out for the birds. Take any old rag, washcloth, shirt, towel, anything you don't need that's colorful. Show them, Dylan. Cut it into very thin strips. The thinner, the better. You can make a cut and then just rip. Good job. So the stringier, the better. Create a nice pile. Large enough to fill up a small suet feeder. Take your scrap pieces you've just cut and put them all in a small suet feeder. Close the feeder.
Out.
And then take it outside and hang it on a hook. Now hang your feeder on a small hook outside. And wait for the birds to come and pull the material. Check around the trees in your neighborhood and you might see some of the scraps that you've cut in the birds' nests.